Aquarius yani Kumbh Rashi. So we are talking about Moon Rashi here. Aquarius 2026 brings innovation and unexpected changes. But one bold move will set you apart from everyone else. Hello everyone, this is Jasmeet Kaur, your master healer from Angels Heal You. Today I'm going to give you predictions for the year 2026. So what is happening is 2025 is leaving and we are entering into the new year, which is 2026. I'm going to give you generic predictions, then I will move on to your health, then towards your relationship, then towards your money or abundance, and then in the end I will give you a beautiful message from the fairies for the year 2026. So let's begin the readings for Aquarius Kumbh Rashi. What I can see is in the year 2026, you will have lot of connection with spirituality. You will be able to understand lot of signs, symbols that will move you towards the spiritual path, and it will give you lot of benefit in the life. Also, there is time for you to take a review of your life, what you have done in the past. You have to take inventory and take care of the things which you've done in the past, and you have to do something to resolve, to change or heal the situations that you have been facing which were unbalanced and due to which you had to face many challenges. So you need to take a review of your life and the past year that you have spent, learn from it and move on to the next year, which is 2026. Aquarius, I can also see there is a transition happening in your career or business. So if at this point, if you were not doing so well in the job, now is the time when you either get a new job or get a raise or promotion in your job or business or career. Wherever you are, you will definitely receive a transformation in the year 2026. It will bring you something really positive and blessed career change. And also your life purpose now have a meaning in the year 2026. Moving on to your health. Now let's see what we have for Aquarius Kumbh Rashi. What are the messages that I'm getting from the angels is that you have to request the angels to start healing you and guiding you so that your relationships are also beautiful. So your health is right now affecting your relationship as well. Once you start praying to God and angels for helping you to take care of your relationships, it will automatically improve your health. In the year 2026, Aquarius, you have to consult a nutritionist also so that you're able to get good, healthful diet, which is full of good choices and nutritious food. All the things which are tasty, which are fulfilling and nutritious for your health, you have to start taking that by consulting a nutritionist so that you are able to have an ideal health and ideal weight in the year 2026. Another message that I'm getting is that you have to avoid allergies at some point. There is something these days, if you're in Delhi, you can understand that the pollution levels are so high, due to which we are getting a lot of allergy infections. So in the year 2026, you have to really take care of your health so that you are not able to catch any infection or allergies from the outside. So this is what I'm getting for the health part. Now let's move on to relationships. Aquarius yani Kumbh Rashi, let's see what messages do we have. I can see a reconciliation happening in the year 2026. If you had a breakup in the past year, you will know that now the signs are coming. In the year 2026, you will have a reconciliation with your ex-partner. or if there was someone in your life who was there in the past and you were not in touch right now, that also can come back right now and the reconciliation will happen. And also I can see is that once you meet someone in this year, they will be the soulmate for you. This could be the one. Very strong message that I'm getting for you is that you've already met your romantic partner you seeking, and this is the one for you. In 2026, you will definitely move towards more committed relationship. So very soon this is happening, and clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now and it definitely stays in the year 2026. Now we'll see what do we have in abundance or money part for Aquarius yani Kumbh Rashi. You have to start donating in this year, which is very important. The more you give, the more you receive. Remember, when you start giving it to others or sharing it with others, you will have abundance. You will have lot of windfall of abundance coming your way once you start giving it to others. So always from your salary, take out some amount through every month, so that you can give it to charity, to donation, or do something which will help others, and it will bring you multifold of whatever you do in terms of abundance. Also in this year, I can see lot of money, lot of abundance coming your way. So great job. Whatever you've done so far is now giving you fruition, and you will receive lot of money in the year. Also, there is some resentment which you have about money, and you're stuck on that. You have to release that and heal it. So the money system of the world can seem upsetting, but holding resentments about finances just pushes your abundance away. Instead, see money as a tool you can use to better the world. And this shift will help you attract, support the golden opportunities which will bring more and more money and abundance in your life. Now let's see what do we have, the beautiful fairy message for you in the year 2026. What I can see is that in the year 2026, in winters, you will see something miraculous happening in your life. This season, the winters of 2026, will help you manifest the most heartfelt wishes, as long as your intentions are pure and for the highest good of all. So you will receive lot of blessings, lot of things if you start doing what I'm trying to tell you. So this is the message that I have for you for the generic one in the year 2026. If you want a personalized reading done by me, please DM us on this video or call us on 73489-14808. You can go through our website, which is angelshealyou.com. So what happens is, if you book a detailed reading session with me, you will get to know about month on month for full year readings, predictions, what you should do, what you should avoid, what you should be careful about, if there are any cautions that you have to take care of, and whatever challenges you're facing, we'll give you solutions to that also. And very detailed reading about how and what are the next steps to get a beautiful, healthy, happy life. All right. Thank you so much for watching.